Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve this question. After a decrease of 70%, the value 550 will become. Okay, so we have to find the value of 550 after detecting 70%, right? So first find decrease of 70%. Decrease of 70% is equal to multiply by 550. 70% means 100. Cancel 0 with this 0 and this with this one, and multiply 7 with 55, you will get 385. So decrease is equal to 385. Now the value 550 will be after decrease of 350, so subtract 385 from 550, the answer will be 165. So this is the required value. Okay, after deducting 70% from 550, the value will become 165. So I hope you like this video. If so, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video.